Hi there, it's Mrs. Jackson, and today we're going to be going over how to define words in a HyperDoc or even in Google Slides, just how to use the define feature in Google. So what you're going to do, I'm going to use this Storm Chasers Tornado HyperDoc as an example. One of the activities asks students to define keywords, and the first one is demolish. So what you do is you click next to the word, right click, and you're looking for the word define with single quotations and the word you're defining. So today it's going to be demolish. You just simply click on it and a definition is going to populate to the right hand side. So you can see it also gives you synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word and give you a little bit of context. Although if you're doing this and you have to copy and paste this definition for an assignment, an easy way to do that is to click next to it, hold your click, and drag your mouse until you've highlighted the entire definition. So if you zone in, you can see just the definition that I want is selected. I'm going to go ahead and hold my click, and drag to the place where I want the definition. And then now you can see for demolish, the Google definition is input it into the cell.